Hello everyone, it's me Chang from Crafting World. Today in this video we'll learn how to make the foam lip using paper. So without any further more delay, let's begin. Now you need to have 3 rectangular shaped paper. As you can see, you need to have 3 same size rectangular paper. So you can see here I have 3 pieces of the rectangular paper and one this kind of paper, just after completion, just to wrap up the finishing line. So what you need to do next is, now you have to paste these 3 papers one by one. Just glue here and you need to paste it one by one, just like this. Just you need to glue and paste it one by one to make it just like a long one paper. After gluing all the piece of paper, so you can see I have glued all the piece of paper one by one. Now you can see a complete one piece of paper. So what you need to do next is you need to just fold in the center. So I need to fold in the center just like this, as you can see. Now what you need to do next is just bring this one to this line, to the center line, and just once again fold it and repeat the same process. Again bring this line to the center. Again this two to the center, keep folding. Again last one more time, this one to the center. So you can see here we'll fold at one side, so in the similar manner do the left side also the same. Bring this one to the center, so you keep doing the rest things like the earlier one. Now after folding every part, what you need to do is, now you need to cut from here, as you can see here, from here to up to here, just like the angle way you need to cut. So let me show you. So take from here, take in the angle way, so you can see here. So this way you will see it. Now next thing what you need to do is, you can see here again you need to fold in one proper manner. You need to do this kind of foldings again in the proper way, just like this. This one up, this down, and this one should be up again. Just like this. So you need to fold this again in the systematic way. You can see here, down, up, again down. This one should be down again. So you can see here, firstly there should be a down, then up, again down, up, down till the center, and the rest you need to do the same from the left side, from down, up, down. So let me do you. So you can see here, then it will be again down, now again up. So let me do it and show you the final completion. So now finally, after folding, you can see this way. So you can see here, after folding, you will see this way. Now the next thing what you need to do is, you can see here, now you need to cut the portion here. Is you need to cut portion just like this way you need to cut. So let me show you how to cut. Again from here to this top. So again you need to cut from here to here. Do it slowly. Again, once again from here to here. So you keep doing like this the rest part of this paper. So finally you can see, after cutting you will get this kind of shape. Now what you need to do is, you need to just fold it one by one, just like this. So finally you can see here, our palm lip is ready. So now what you need to do is, this kind of paper you have cut before, now just you need to roll it just like this. And just bend it in the side way, and this side too. Just glue it here. And now you can see we have completed making the palm lip. So let me show you the other two. So here you can see. So in this way you can make a very beautiful palm lip. So if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.